Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Santander Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a santanderbank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Santander Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your password. Here, after providing both the details, you click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Santander Bank. Just in case if you forgot the user ID and password of the online banking account of Santander Bank, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot user ID, forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your user ID and password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Santander Bank. Thank you.